And we're going to talk about the different cooking methods for beef and some of what we're going to review in practicality today. There are two basic methods. There's a dry heat method and a moist heat method. With dry heat methods, you want to use steaks, things that have less connective tissue. They turn out better that way. Dry heat method would maybe include baking, pan frying, grilling. Moist heat methods would be something like a poaching, a braising, and both are very good for the different meats that you'll be using. When you're using anything like a rib roast or anything that has a lot of connective tissue that has to do with the shank, or a lot of in and around an area that has a lot of moving parts, there's going to be, of course, more connective tissue. And the moist heat method will break apart that connective tissue and make it more tender. When in dry heat is good for meats that have lesser of a fat content, have less of a connective tissue content, and then they'll turn out much better. So we're going to be reviewing these three today: braising, baking, and pan frying.